I'm Warrick Dent, LNER'S Safety and Operations Director, and here at LNER, everyone's safety is our priority. Our cleaning teams are working around the clock as we do all we can to make sure our customers can travel with confidence. We've delivered record levels of cleaning since March using a two-stage process. Since July, more than 360 swabs for COVID-19 have been carried out on our customer contact points. All results have been negative. And we're enhancing what we're doing even further by boosting our army of cleaners and investing in additional high-grade equipment. There are now more than 330 dedicated specialists working on board our trains and in our stations, equipped with superior, sustainable products and disinfecting devices which kill viruses on hard surfaces and in the air. You can play your part too, including ensuring you make a seat reservation before travelling and wearing a face covering unless exempt. For more information, visit lner.co.uk.